Once you understand this game of your being, no one can in the world can make you sad. And once you're happy, tell all. Wishing you happy new year, but listen it, understand yourself. Then you will be happy, and then you can distribute that happiness. As I am distributing happiness to thousands, to lakhs worldwide. Before coming public 2 years back, 16 years, thousands to lakhs of people happy. Happy New Year, we will say, when you are making a determination and accepting all the situations, remaining cool in all the shades, and understood I signed this movie. Script is not with me, it is inside. That's why one who played this role became the real hero, real heroine. Become happy, wish all. Happy New Year, happy new moment, happy new seconds, happy new minutes, happy new hour. Today we are switching over from the old year, we say old year, 2025. And we are at the border, 31st December today, and tomorrow year will change, 2026. And tonight, all over the world, message will be passing on, either on phone or through WhatsApp or through mail. What the message will be? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Who is going to wish? Who is not happy? In the world today, we all see that no one is happy. What happiness definition we say? That outside, smiling, outside our all that what we have with us, big bungalows, big cars. So we take that measuring scale with the outside, what we see, what we hear. But in fact, happiness is not the subject of external appearance. Happiness is not coming from the outside world. Happiness is within you. Happiness is within you. So inside, are you happy? You assess yourself. At least I have not come across anyone in last of my complete journey, especially in 18 years when I got enlightenment. Because before that I was also thinking happiness lies outside. I was also running outside for the big bungalows, big cars, big money amount, bank balances, going to discos or sitting with the friends. I was also thinking the same, that happiness lies outside, in that materialistic things, materialistic all personalities. But that all trust thought was completely washed away when I went in search of happiness and found what happiness is, not from the outside world, in your big cars, big bungalows, big your relations, but it lies inside you. And inside, in short, if you want to know, you are not carrying anything, any person, or any place. If you are not carrying any person, means any relations, any place, means whatever geographical you say, America, UK, India, whatever things means bungalow, big cars, big chairs, outside whatever you have with you, you are not keeping them inside. Inside means not attaching, not having attachment inside to any of your relations, any of the place, any of the things will keep you always happy. Will keep you always happy. That is what I searched 18 years back, and from that moment till now, I never got sad. Never. Not even for the minutes. Having the family like you, was in business like you, everything same as you. I was same as you 18 years back, but now I am not same as you from inside. Inside my software is completely clean. And then when inside you are not attached to any person, relations, what we say, to any place, what you say, all your geographical map, or any things what you have with you, then no one in this universe can make you sad. No one in this universe can make you sad. Even that what we say, the very sad moment which whole world says, death, which never happens. We are so illiterate that we do not know there is no birth, no death. Death will also not make you sad. Not only others' death, yours death. You will be departing from this body like you are going to the big, from one small hut to the big palace. That big palace we say, God home. We say Par Brahm Sachkhand, where all that godly personalities, those who experience the happiness, they only experienced the happiness. That's why they are called as God today. God Messenger, God Son. Just we celebrated the birthday of Jesus, who declared, I am the Son of the God. And many more godly personalities, Rama Krishna in previous era, Buddha, Mahavira, Kabir, Farid, Mirabai, Sajobai, Lallabai, Laujus Kureti, Namdev, Tukaram, and so many in this world. They researched the same about happiness, and they found the same, because wherever you taste the water from the sea, you are going to get the same taste, salt intake. So they all experience the same truth, that happiness lies inside you, not outside. They proved, even Buddha, Mahavira, Mirabai, those who are living in the palaces, even Buddha, Mahavira, Buddha was unopposed, like today you say Prime Minister or President, son of the king, was becoming king. But on the very first day, question came in the mind about the happiness, went in search. After 6 years, he became Buddha, the God, researched the happiness. Mahavira also same, Meera also same. And they were like you and me. No specialty at all. Only they searched that happiness lies inside, not outside in the money. If it was in money, they would not have left the palaces. If it were in the chair, they would not have left the chair. If it was in the attractions, so they were the kings, queens. They were even begging. So, happiness lies in you, not outside. See, today, you are getting news always. You go to that psychiatrist, find that so rich people, rich children, big chair personalities, their children's, like the whole of the youth generation is going in the isolation, in the depression. So, naturally, when your children are not in the fine state, parents will also be sad. So, sadness coming from where? Outside or inside? Outside becoming the reason. Remember it. Outside becoming the reason to give you any sadness or happiness. I have got a contract of $1 million suddenly, and I am happy. I have lost $1 million suddenly, and I am sad. My son had top in the exams. I am happy. My son had failed. I am sad. I am going to get a big bungalow. Already token is given. But at last, the deal is cancelled. In the beginning, when token was given, I was very happy. But when the final deal was to mature, deal is cancelled. Now I'm sad. I was to become Prime Minister or President. I was very happy. But suddenly at night the message came, you are not becoming. I am sad. So these all outside activities makes you happy or sad. But this happiness or sadness is coming from outside, but who is feeling it? Who is getting the happiness? Who is getting the sadness? Either you are getting the chair or not, becoming Prime Minister or not, chair is getting happy or sadness. You are getting happiness, sadness. And this message, what is going inside you, I am going to become, I am not becoming. This message, when goes inside, makes the waves inside, waves. It is you who is attached to the chair. You are getting sad. It is you who is attached to the chair. You get happy. It is you who is attached to the money. You are happy, sad. So, how can you be the happiest person? See, where we live in this world, here is everything is in duality. Duality. Two. There is always the opposite. Always. No one can say, I have always made the profits. No one will say, I had always, whatever I demanded, I have got it. Always there is a duality, means there is a yes or no. There is an achievement or no. There is a success, failure is there. So how to be happy always? If I am getting something, I am happy. If I am not getting, I am sad. So how to be happy? Accept the other side too, in the same way. That I may get, I may not get. I may or may not. If not, then you should know the theory of your being. You should know the theory of your being. That this is all you are traveling in the body for multiple birth. You are not in this dead body for first time. Dead body. You know you are living in a dead body, which you say, I am the doctor, or I am the chartered accountant, or I am the minister, or I am rich. This is the identification of the dead body. See, when at last we say, he died, she is no more, body is there. Who is no more and she is no more? What? He is very much there. She is very much there. When at birth we say, given birth to the boy or the girl, see, what is the birth? Or they say, no, dead boy. She has given birth to the dead boy, dead girl. What is that? From the mother womb, when one comes out, body is there. Only that energy which was inside the mother, making that body to develop inside for 9 months, when one came out, became the individual, cut from the navel, it was that body. Individual energy had not come inside. Now one is going to be the individual personality. Till now, inside with the mother for 1, now 2. So individual energy has gone, then one weaves, we say the birth. If energy is not going, we say it is dead body, death. Same at last when it withdraws, we say death, but body is there. So we have to understand, once you are not getting what you thought of, that this is all my old karma. Suppose today you murder someone, you are going to get the jail. Likewise, whatever you have done in your previous body, previous human body, because you are a traveler in this body, you had multiple travels. So last time in the human body when you were, what you have done, so all is the reaction in this birth of the actions you have taken in the previous birth. So if you understand about your being, all comes same in the 9 months from the mother womb, and at last goes to the same graveyard, cremation ground, no difference there. Let it be the minister or a star or some pain or some richest or the poorest person, beggar, all are getting cremated at one place, buried in the same graveyard. So there is no difference at last. There is no difference in the beginning. 9 months. It is not richest person will come in 12 months. American will come in 11 months. Japanese will come in 14 months. All comes in the same way. And at last goes to the dust in the same way. So this is, you are the passenger in this body. If you understand it, the role of your this all, like an actor and actress playing the role. They are not. Shah Rukh Khan, Karishma playing the role of husband wife, they are not. Amitabh Bachchan playing the role of a father of Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, he is not. If he is becoming pilot, he becoming wing commander, Shah Rukh Khan becoming wing commander, he is not. So they are acting. They have listened the script and acting. Same, you have also signed this movie, what name you have with you. If you understand that this is the role I asked for, because actor is signing, actress is signing. And once signed, one has to play the role. Take an amount. Big amount is spent on the big projects by the director. Likewise, making your body, so much pain had been taken by the Creator in the mother womb till now. You see, once the energy withdraws, soul, what we say, conscious, even the whole world money I am saying, not yours, that you have billion, trillion dollars. Whole money of the world you give to someone, even 1 minute cannot come back. You cannot be alive for 1 minute. So invaluable body one had made to get this role for you. And if you live the movie in between, like people sometimes commit suicide, or you are playing role not as per the director but with your own choice, will role be perfect? No. So actor, actress, when plays a role, they are directed by the director. Whatever the scene come, inside he has to maintain the relax, then only he can dedicate and make the role. Are you relaxed? No. So your all scenes are getting disturbed and that makes you sad. So saying Happy New Year is not for you. Sorry. This is all bogus. If you say wishing someone Happy New Year, you yourself is sad, you beggar. How can you wish someone Happy New Year? So if someone wishes you Happy New Year, say sorry, no, Happy New Year. Sorry. You will be then very genius person, very honest. Inside you are sad, wishing someone Happy New Year. You are not having, suppose, $1,000 in your pocket. Can you give someone $10,000? $1,000? If you are having $1, you can give only $1. You are sad. Don't make fool of yourself. Let children enjoy. You don't make fool of yourself. So today you have to be very careful if you wish someone. You should wish if you are happy. One beggar cannot give anything to someone. So that inside happiness, how it come? 12 hours is with you. Till night 12 o'clock. Put efforts inside. That I will accept acceptance. All the godly personalities said single word. Happiness means acceptance of the opposite side. Today now you are sitting in the daylight. Night you are accepting. When dark comes, nobody weeps. Oh, dark had come, dark had come. When there was no light, 150 years back, nobody was weeping. Oh, night had come, night had come, night had come. If there is a winter, you are never saying, oh, so winter, so winter, so winter. You are accepting. So acceptance, that is all said by all the godly personalities, single word to make you happy, acceptance. In all the situations, like you accept outside, you take all arrangements, like we are now putting jackets, coats, because winter. Summer you make your air conditioners, coolers, fans ready. So you should accept the opposite. Don't attach to the one side only of the mirror, but the other side too. So 12 hours with you to wish someone, or otherwise you beggar, you poor person, you should not wish. You should say if someone wishes you, sorry, no Happy New Year. Then you see, once you are true, the whole existence will help you. And if you make flirt, inside sad, outside wishing someone, will take you again to the sadness in the next year. So don't make fool of anyone. So this is what message for you. You can put efforts. Those who got happiness were wishing. Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad, Kabir, Farid, Mirabai, Sajobai, Lallabai, Laujus, Gredi, Namdev, Tukaram, and so many personalities were wishing happy. But they are wishing happy with the knowledge of your being. That is, all knowledge of your being is recorded. What they said during that time became the epics, spiritual epics. We worship them too. Like we say Buddha, Dhampat, Mahavir Vani, Guru Nanak Dev, Guru Granth Sahib, Jesus, Bible. We had all this, Muhammad Sab Quran. So these epics are just what they said, recorded. Something recorded, something by brain, people had added, those who are not happy. So only the happy person in the world can tell you the meaning, what is written in that. Remember it. So-called religious people, those who say, oh, we love so much to the Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad, Allah, Kabir, Farid, Mirabai, Sajobai, Lallabai, Lord Jokrati, Namdev, Tukaram. Remember, if they are not happy, their meaning is wrong. They are making you fool. So, you should be very careful, because these all godly personalities experience the happiness. How? Acceptance. So you'll find that big word everywhere, Jesus, Bible. Acceptance, total acceptability, he has said. Guru Nanak Deva, हुक्म के अंदर सब, हुक्म के बाहर ना कोई हुक्म, रजाई चलना, रजाई. Gita said the same. Whatever happened is okay. Whatever happening is okay. What will happen is okay. Accept. Rama said the same. Raza mein razi, fit to all the situations. Mahavira said the same. Ahimsa parmo dharam. Don't make violent on you inside, not that violence of outside. If you are violent making inside sad, you will only give sadness to all. One sad person can only give the sadness. Happy person will always give the happiness. So those who are claiming to be godly with them, if they are sad, they are wrong, they are making fool of you. And only that godly personalities can make you happy. But go search for it. Are they happy? If they are happy, he is the Hindu of Rama and Krishna. He is happy, he is the Christian of Jesus. He is happy, he is the Sikh of Guru Nanak Dev. He is happy, not outside by the face, but inside. Happiness lies inside. Suppose I am traveling somewhere and I got the message that my son is coming at home. So when I reached there, we had a great lunch together. After this, he is leaving for tonight flight to America. And when at night he is going, so at night also something great was prepared at home, say very good, great biryani, very tasty. And when he had departed from home for airport, after few hours, that flight is crashed. All passengers on board died. I am taking biryani, so tasty, saying to the wife, oh, so beautiful biryani, so tasty. And suddenly message comes, flight crashed. All passengers on board died, like in Ahmedabad you have seen, taken off and died all. So will that taste of biryani on my tongue will remain? I had that piece in my mouth. Will it remain? Immediately I will spit, will not go inside, because my son was there in that flight. So immediately I am rushing. But suddenly, after 1 hour, there is a call coming from my son's phone. Oh, you? Oh, father, I missed the flight. I missed the flight. Now what will happen? Immediately I will become so happy. Okay, come back home. Because he was in a hurry, could not take dinner, could not taste biryani. Now again when he come back home, I say, make biryani now. And again the same taste starts coming. So taste was in biryani or my attachment. There were 300 people on board died, many children were there. But I am not bothered about the other children, I am bothered about my children, my son. So problem lies with I and my inside. Remember it, not outside. Outside is okay. Outside to play the game, like an actor playing. Shah Rukh Khan dying, Amitabh Bachchan, oh, then playing the role of father. But after 5 minutes, when director says cut, they are happy. Well done, Amitabh. Well done, Shah Rukh. And if you understand that thousands, not thousands, lakhs of birth you have taken, you have traveled to the many bodies. So this is all that role you have to play with this. You have thousands, lakhs of sons before, lakhs of husband, wife before. You were beggar, sometimes richest, sometimes you were sitting on the minister chair, sometimes you were peon there. Once you understand this game of your being, no one can in the world can make you sad. And once you're happy, tell all. Wishing you happy new year, but listen it, understand it. As I am saying to you all for 18 years, because I am happy. I am happy, always. I understood, I am now actor, playing the role in the different way. Nothing can make me sad. My role is perfect. So I will be getting the reward when I depart from this body, which we say death, which never happened. That it is all written in those all godly spiritual apps that some planes will come to take you back home, God home, which we say Sachkhand far from God home. So I hope a little bit have understood, and you will try today till night time you have if you want to wish someone Happy New Year. Otherwise, say sorry, no Happy New Year. So I hope you will understood little and more to go. You had to get the knowledge of your being, what is said by all godly personalities, which you never understood. They have not said to do anything outside, but they have said to understand. Understand yourself. Then you will be happy, and then you can distribute their happiness. As I am distributing happiness to thousands, to lakhs worldwide, before coming public 2 years back, 16 years, thousands to lakhs of people happy. But final saturation of happiness, where sadness will never come, is near to come for the multiple people. So I hope tonight, Happy New Year we will say, when you are making your determination and accepting all the situations, remaining cool in all the states, and understood I signed this movie, script is not with me, it is inside. That's why one who played this role became the real hero, real heroine. Colony in any area comes after. First they say, where will be the temple? Where will be the Gurdwara? Where will be the church? Where will be the mosque? That no theatre will be closed. New theatre will come for release of the movie of Guru Nanak Dev, Jesus, Muhammad, Kabir, Krishna. They were the real hero. Our heroes, after 3 days movie is going, 1 week, 2 weeks gone. They are real hero. So I hope you would have understood a little, and will try for the Happy New Year wish today to give to someone. Otherwise, sorry, no Happy New Year. Will make you to repent in the next year and not to wait for the next year 35. Any time in the year, become happy. Wish all Happy New Year, happy new moment, happy new seconds, happy new minutes, happy new hour. So I hope you will make yourself happy and wish all others with the guideline how to become happy.